Hi guys, I'm back in here with YouTube, Google Arts and Culture as part of their project Union Black, and today we are going to be learning the Bogle dance. Let's get into it. So 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, bend your knees, gun fingers, 1 and 2. Now forward, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Body roll, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now we're going to try that with the music. Today we are going to be learning the butterfly dance. Right, let me break it down. So you want to bend your knees. You're going to go in, out, in, out. Your hands are going to go up and down, up and down. Perfect. Now let's try that with the music. Today we are going to be learning the running man. Let's go. So you want to face either your left or your right. I'm going to face my right. So now you want to step on your left and jump and bring your right leg in like this. The same thing, step, jump, step, jump. Now it looks a bit like this. Perfect. Now let's try that with the music. Today we are going to be learning the Migrant Sky. Let's get into it. So you want both hands on your head, bend your knees, and you're going to move in circular motions, left to right. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Perfect. So now we're going to try it with the music. Today we are going to be learning the lean and bop. So what you're going to do is you're going to stand diagonal. Now you're going to lean forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Now we're going to try that with the music. You can find out more about this dance and all the Union Black content on Google Arts and Culture using the link below. Also, let us know what you think by using the hashtag Union Black.